In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an account on Upwork in a step-by-step process. So watch this video till the end if you want to create your very own account on Upwork. So without doing any delay, let's get started. Firstly, you can just simply search on Google Upwork, and then you can click on this link and you will be able to visit to their official site. Or what I'll do is I'll also keep a link of this Upwork in the description of this YouTube video. Just click on it and you will visit to this site. Once you visit to this site, then just click on this sign up. Now you will see this kind of interface. So what is your purpose? I'm sure you are a freelancer looking for work, but if you are a client we want to hire other people, then you can click on here. Okay, but for this case we are going to click on here. So just click on here and click on apply as a freelancer. Now you'll see this kind of interface. The simplest way to sign up to Upwork is going to click on this continue with Google, but later you may need to fill this first name last name. So why not just fill it right now? So you just need to add your first name, last name, email, password, and you need to select your country and click on create my account. So I'll quickly fill out this form. Once you have filled out this form, then make sure you just select this, okay, tick mark this, and then only click on this create my account. Now you'll see this kind of interface. Just save this ID password if you want. Okay, just click on this and it will be redirecting you to verify your email address. Now most probably you have already received a verification email from Upwork. So let's check in our email address. So do not reply, it is from Upwork. So let's click on here and click on verify email. Now you'll see this kind of interface. So it says, I found ready for your next big opportunity. Apply few questions and start building your profile. And just click on get start. It only takes 5 to 10 minutes. So let's click on get started. So it is asking first, have you freelanced before? So I'm sure you may have tried some Fiverr or something else. If that's the case, just click on this. Or if you want to click on this, that's also fine. It's not a big deal. Okay, just click on anything. Now it says your biggest goal for freelancing. Now here comes the part where you need to be honest. Okay, whatever your focus is, you can select that. Okay, to make money on the side, to earn my main income. So let's select this one. Now let's say, how would you like to work? Select whichever is the suitable, whichever is suitable for you. How would you like to work? Okay, so I think I'd like to work to act as a I would like Upwork to act as a recruiter. So just select this one and then scroll below and click on this create a profile. So now we say, how would you like to tell us about yourself? You can upload a resume or you can import it from LinkedIn if you have, but in our case we are going to fill out manually. So here you need to add a title to tell the world what you do. So here you can see the example, full stack developer, web and mobile. Okay, so you can be like, in my case I can do is screencast video creation and click on next, add your experience. So now here you can add your experience about the work that you just told. Okay, like a screencast video creation. Now I can just click on add and add everything at here. But in case if you are totally new, then that's also fine. Just click tick mark at here and nothing to add, and just click on now add your education. Now it's the same thing again. Here you need to add your education. Just click on this add and write everything at here. Of course you must have some sorts of education, but in case if you don't have that also, or maybe if you don't want to provide your education detail, then you can tick mark here and click on next language, but I would suggest you to add your education. Okay, so let's for now just tick mark this and click on next language. Now Upwork want to know which language you speak. Okay, so just click on this English and you must know the English. Okay, for this in order to work on Upwork. So whichever is yours, you can select it. So native and bilingual means like you are from United States and you speak that level of English. Okay, but I would suggest you to select this fluent. Okay, that's fine. I guess your English is fluent. If it is not fluent also, then you can also put I write and speak clearly in this language, conversational. Okay, that's also fine. So let's select fluent for now, and if you have any other language you can select here and click on here and add other language. For example, just click on add language and select, and maybe you know Hindi or maybe you know Spanish. Just select that and select the level of your language. Okay, if you don't have, just delete that and click on now share your skill. Now Upwork is asking what work are you here to do. So now here you need to understand something. Okay, you can put lots of skill at here, maximum up to 15, but don't be full at here. Okay, what you are here to do, only be in Upwork to do one thing. Okay, like screencasting videos. So I'm here to do screencasting videos, which I'm perfect on. Okay, and I can create any kind of screencasting videos in a normal way. However, now I can select lots of skills that are related to screencasting, sorry, video production. Okay, because there are other skills also that Upwork will show you if you want to add more. Okay, but that is not your focus. Your focus is sharp only one thing. Okay, so in my case that will be screencasting video, and is already recommending. Okay, Upwork is recommending it to me, so I can just click on add, and I don't need to add any other thing because I only need those people hiring me who want to create screencasting videos, not any other thing. Okay, in this way I'll be able to get good amount of job offers and good amount of reviews and rating also, because I am only doing one thing. Okay, that is screencasting videos. That need to be your focus if you want to become a good freelancer. So now once you have selected, you can however select it 2 3. Okay, but it should be related to only that one thing, one main thing. Okay, and then once you do that, then just click on now write your bio. So now here is something that you need to write about yourself. Okay, so for example, I am going to do screencasting videos. Now I need to write this bio in such a way that people would feel to like to hire me. Like, you know, if they come and read whatever I have written, they need to be emotionally triggered. I need to hire this person. Okay, I need to write that kind of things. So for example, what most people in my field, like in video making field, do is they'll charge a lot of money for 1 minute 2 minute video. I can offer them 5 to 10 minute video in pretty decent price. Okay, and I can also tell them about my YouTube channel, my course, or whatever I have, whatever the properties I have, whatever the work I have done in the past. Okay, I can entice those things in this bio and tell them I have done these things in the past and I am clearly adaptable to whatever work you want to do. You can write those things. Okay, you just need to entice people on this bio to hire you. So once you have filled out this bio, then you can just click on this choose your area of work. So now you need to select the main service that you offer in Upwork. So this basically means the main category. Okay, so here you can see Upwork has already suggested me video and animation, and it is perfect for me. If it is not at here, you can just click on this drop down and select anything from here. Okay, so for now I'll just select this one and then click on next, set your rate. Now here you need to put your hourly rate. Okay, so for that you can place any rate that you think is suitable. Okay, for per hour, so you can put any. Okay, make sure that the people who sees this rate will be excited to hire you. Okay, keep that in mind. So just click on this, sorry, just put this rate, and you can see Upwork service fee will be $4, and you can see they will be charging you 20% in the initial, or once you are bill up to $500, they will charge you 20%, then the fee will reduce to 10%. Okay, so now in this case scenario, if you are charging $20, then after reducing $4, you are going to receive this $16. Now once you have done this, then just click on lastly photo and location, just click on it. So now you need to add your photo at here and upload this detail, sorry, write this detail at here. So once you quickly fill out this form and put your image and your address at here, then just click on this check your profile. Now finally you'll see this kind of interface. Now here is an opportunity where you can make some edit on the things that you have already done, like in skill, work experience, education history, profile. Okay, just click on this pencil icon and you can edit these things in a easy way. Okay, just click on here and you can add some skills at here. So now this is the point where you can edit these things. So now once you have edited and everything is done, now you can just click on submit profile. So now it says nice work Pawan, your profile is ready. Congratulations, with thousands to choose from, it's time to start bidding on roles that are the perfect fit for your skill. So now you can do two things. Okay, you can view your profile, which will look something like this, and you can edit everything at here, or you can click on browse jobs and you will see this kind of interface where you can start to browse the jobs and get people to hire you. Now congratulations, you are part of Upwork. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.